Hey guys, this is Gavin. Today we're at the shop and we're going to be installing some new taillights on the WJ.
Ooh, let's do this.
Alright guys, so most taillights are pretty simple to install and take out. So all you're going to need is a screwdriver to take out 2 screws right there. Pops out and you can just take it out. And there's going to be a little plug that you got to pop off the safety lock there, little red thing, and it should slide off, and then it's off. So then you take a new taillight and you just plug it in. Right in. You gotta line that up. There. Then you just gotta screw it back in. We had to use some longer screws because the aftermarket taillights didn't fit the stock screws.
Or hit the brakes. Ooh. It's funny because they don't look very good in the camera, but they look cool. So hit the brakes. Yeah. All right. Off the brakes. Hit the brakes again. Huh. Yeah. Cool. Well, I can see what people were saying about they're a lot brighter at a little bit of an angle, and if you move over here, they get right behind it, they're dimmer, which is interesting. So because they're angled out a little bit, so it's like when you get over here, it's like, whoa, super bright. Way bright over here, holy crap. There you go. Yeah, it's cool.
So how is it way brighter?
Look right here how bright it is.
Yeah.
And then go over here right behind it, the red part. Wow, that's really bright from over here, holy crap. All right, let your foot off the brake. There you go. Yeah, they're bright. I mean, they're bright as shit. Can't even film it, it's so bright.
Oh man.
Yeah. Cool.
So hopefully this helped you out on the taillight swap. See you next time.
All right.